In number 36, we're asked to solve a quadratic system. The first thing that you want to do when you're solving a system is to look and see if you might be able to use substitution or if elimination is going to work better. In this case, elimination really won't work very well. We might be better off with substitution. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solve the second equation for y. So I get 3y equals negative 4x. Divide both sides by 3, and I get y equals negative 4/3 x. That's my new second equation. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to plug it in everywhere that y appears in the first equation. My x squareds, notice, don't change. I have x squared plus negative 4/3 squared x squared minus 18x plus 24 times negative 4/3 x plus 200 is equal to 0. Now let's go ahead and just do that and see what we get. We get x squared plus, square that term, and we get 16/9 x squared minus 18x. 24 times negative 4/3. I'm going to do 24 divided by 3 is 8 times negative 4 is negative 32x plus 200 equals 0. Now let's combine like terms. I have 16/9 x squared here, and then this is 1x squared, which can be rewritten as 9/9 x squared. So let's add those, and we get 25/9 x squared. If we combine our x terms, we have minus 50x plus 200 equals 0. In order to not have to work with the fraction, we're going to multiply through by 9. We get 25x squared, notice no fraction, minus 450x plus 1800 equals 0. Now we could try to factor this, or we can just go ahead and use quadratic formula. I think quadratic formula might work better. Let's go. This is going to be our A, this is our B, and this is our C. Remember the quadratic formula. X equals the opposite of B is 450 plus or minus the square root B squared minus 4 times A times C, all over 2 times A. Now let's simplify a little bit. We get 450 plus or minus 22,500 all over 50. The square root of 22,500 gives us this. 450 plus or minus 150 over 50. From here we get two answers. We get 450 plus 150 is 600 over 50, which is equal to 12, and we also get 450 minus 150, which is 300 over 50, which is equal to 6. Now those are our two x values. If we take those two x values and we plug them back into the equation that we defined here for y, we'll get our y values. So plug 12 in for x. You get 12 divided by 3 is 4 times negative 4 is y equals negative 16. And plug in 6 for x. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times negative 4, y equals negative 8. And these are our two solutions.